Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're actually doing a little bee catching. That's right, swarming season in South Alabama. And my dad has decided he's a beekeeper person, and he's going to catch some bees. So this ought to be fun. We got us a little swarm right here. And this crazy old man here in the white suit is going to lop off this lower limb, get it out of the way. Yeah, just like that. And I believe he's planning on putting that box up there and shaking the bees out. So I'm going to back up a little bit. This video may get cut a little short if I take off running. But it ought to be a good show. So let's see what happens. We got the gallery over here. I don't know if you can see them in there. Yeah, they're waving over there. I mean, who wouldn't want to watch this? This is Fail Factory live. I mean, it doesn't get any better. I don't know, this kind of seems like a bad idea. There we go, peace and quiet.
Is he under it?
Yeah, he's under it, ish.
Ish?
Ish. I mean, you move back a couple inches. You got your lid?
Yeah, it's right behind it.
This is gonna make a mess. You sure that's how you're gonna do it? And they're mad now. Bees, bees, everywhere bees.
It's almost like I'm a professional.
Almost like you're a professional. You look like a professional.
Professional minion.
Yeah. Where's Gru? Oh yeah, now they're pissed off. How many you gonna squish with that lid? I'd hurry up before the queen decides to leave.
I think I'll leave it.
You gonna leave it like that?
I don't want to squish them.
Can you not push them in?
What if they all leave?
They probably will all leave. I think.
Well, like the horse is like, huh, what you doing here?
You're looking less and less professional.
Yeah.
Why don't you knock them in and shut it?
I need to rake them. They're fanning.
You just set the thing up a little bit.
I'm trying to catch Sam a bee.
I don't think Samuel wants a bee.
Sam, I got you a bee. It's a drone.
How do you know it's a drone?
With a big fat head. No, they have no stinger. No, I got it in my hand. Feel it. No, I feel it. Here. You want to put him in something?
You gonna grab him, Sam?
I don't know if he has a stinger.
He's trying to sting, but he don't have a stinger.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
Can bite.
No, they don't bite. You have the bee in your hand? How about that? I mean, who wouldn't walk around with a bee in their hand?
Pretty cool.
Hey,
Pretty cool.
what? Would you get my brush out of my red bucket? I'll brush them in, put the lid on.
It's your new pet?
Name's Honey.
His name's Honey. The boy bee named Honey. Hey now. I'm in the middle of this.
Look in the little area where we keep the lawnmower stuff.
Is that not it right there where I'm looking?
Red bucket.
I mean, I see something red right up the door. No, that's a gas can.
It's to the right.
To the right, to the right. Hey, horsey.
So was that easier than you thought it was?
I'm surprised they're still in there.
Only professionals know that. Well, Sam and his bee. Well, I saw it on the thing. I'm like, oh, well, this is perfect.
All right, now we are going to brush the bees into the hive so that we don't squish any of them. I feel like I'm too close. I'm gonna back up a little bit. Hopefully I'm out of the no sting zone. I mean, you're gonna squish a couple. I would just go for it at this point. Are you gonna put your racks back in?
Yeah.
Apparently bees don't sting horses. So what's the plan? We going to assume that she's going to stay in there and leave the hole open?
Yep.
Okay.
Leave the hole up for the bees to get in.
Leave the hole open for the bees to get in. There they go. They're going in the little hole. We have possibly successfully caught a hive of bees. We'll see.